Hey guys, back out here in the snow and it is coming down. It is white out here. This is awesome. Yeah, I know those guys in the east like Sarge and Swag, they can't handle it, but us boys that moved out here from California, we're out here smoking our pipes in it because California guys are badass, you know. Those guys in the east like Sarge and Swag, you know, they just can't handle this kind of stuff. You know, they're hiding in their house, in their garage, all bundled up and stuff, and they don't get out in this stuff and smoke their pipes. I don't know why. This is glorious, man. This is like the best stuff in the world, man. Getting out in the snow, smoking your pipe, being out in this stuff. It doesn't get any better than this, man. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed, Swag and Sarge, that they don't get out in this stuff and smoke their pipes, man. This is just manly. This is manly stuff. Smoking a pipe in the snow. Ah, man, this is just manly stuff here. This is earning your man card, boys. You should get out and try it. This is awesome. I love you guys. I just had to get out here and bust your chops after you guys were busting mine. But, God, this is awesome. So I'm smoking my Bari Valhalla, which I just picked up yesterday. See if I can get a better shot of this. And it was in rough shape. And I want to thank Corvette Jim for giving me some tips on cleaning this puppy up, because it was bad. And I had nothing to clean it with here, but I followed some of his steps. And then I used to clean the stem, I used soaked it in scope first, and then some alcohol, and then I polished it up with toothpaste, because I don't have any kind of thing to polish it with here. And toothpaste seemed to work really well for just an initial buffing up. And then, you know, of course, cleaning it with some good high alcohol content Everclear to sanitize it. But this is just awesome out here, man. It is coming down good, coming down real good. And girls are loving it. I'm loving it. We're having a blast. So I just wanted to get out here and bust Sarge and Swag for a little bit. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy your pipes. I love you guys. God bless.